Good morning. We at UNEP are pleased to present brief remarks at this event. The circumstances which have led to us utilizing remote communication are actually quite relevant to this day's theme. Our solutions are in nature. And indeed, the solutions to future COVID-type diseases are in nature. UNEP serves as host to the Secretariat for the Convention on Biological Diversity, or the CBD. And according to the CBD, as the global community is called to re-examine its relationship to the natural world, one thing is certain. Despite all our technological advances, we are completely dependent on healthy and vibrant ecosystems for our health, water, food, and medicines, just to name a few. As noted in the UN framework for the immediate socioeconomic response to COVID-19 released last month, the current pandemic is a reminder of the intimate relationship between humans, animals, and the environment. UNEP's COVID-19 response recognizes the need for heightened awareness that deteriorating ecosystems increase zoonotic risks. As far back as 2016, our Frontiers report highlighted that 60% of all known infectious diseases in humans and 75% of all emerging infectious diseases are zoonotic. COVID-19 is just one of many diseases now known to have crossed between animals and humans. But we also know that where native biodiversity is high, the infection rate for zoonotic diseases is lower. In order to better understand the science of disturbance and risk, UNEP is mapping the links between deteriorating ecosystem health, habitat and biodiversity loss, and overexploitation of species. Such a mapping will give a clearer understanding of zoonotic transmission pathways and enable us to identify ways to interrupt these pathways. Our work streams have been adjusted to the realities of the COVID-19 threats and are now focused on improved science and policy options to respond to these threats, investing in nature for improved human health, and raising awareness of the linkages between nature, human health, and sustainable living. We recognize that economic and social impacts are currently the priorities in Jamaica and globally. Our key message is that as we move into the recovery phase, we should be seeking to build back better and greener. It is critical that recovery efforts be green, resilient, inclusive, and sustainable. Stimulus packages must offer the opportunity to flip the switch green, for example, through investments in green, nature-based infrastructure. Recovery can be transformational and green, guided by sustainable approaches. We at UNEP wish all a happy International Day of Biodiversity. Through COVID-19, the planet has delivered its strongest warning yet that we must change. Our solutions are indeed in nature. Thank you.